So hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here. Welcome back to the channel. And before we even start off the video, are you guys noticing this camera quality? Like right off the bat, this is some insane camera quality, and that's because like I got a new camera recently. I'm really excited about it. It's a Canon M100. Like I'm gonna be inserting like some clips of it so you guys can see how it looks. But yeah, I hope the camera quality has a noticeable difference. If it doesn't, then that would kind of suck, but I'm sure it does. So yeah, I hope you guys appreciate that. And in today's video, I actually compiled a little vlog slash behind the scenes of my collab that I did with the Adventures With Us crew. Yeah, that's really what this video is about, the BTS and like the bloopers and all of that stuff. So if you guys want to see that, just keep watching, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Start of the vlog, but I have a special guest right here, Alicia.
A special guest though.
Yeah, we're gonna be filming a couple of videos today. One of them you guys won't know about until it comes out, but I'm also gonna be filming a collab today with Adventures With Us. You guys should definitely check out their channel. I'll definitely link it in the description, and you guys, by now you guys would have already seen the collab video that I did with them. So yeah, that's really what's happening, and I just picked her up, and yeah, she's gonna be a part of the video as well. So a shirt?
Yeah, like a big shirt over this.
So like I'm not ready yet, and we're not really ready. It's kind of early. What time is it? It's 8:30 basically, so and we don't need to leave until like I think 10 o'clock or around, so because that's the time we're gonna meet up with Adventures With Us. But yeah, I'm just gonna make breakfast. Oh, you can't hear it. It's just she has the shell.
I'm hearing it. Look.
You hearing it?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you can. Can you guys hear it?
Whoa.
So yeah, right now we're about to leave, and we're gonna head over. We're gonna head over to Hope Gardens. So don't really feel like vlogging the journey there, so I'll just catch you guys back when we're at Hope Gardens and when we're like setting up. By the way, I'm gonna put on like a red shirt over this white shirt that I have on. I don't usually just a fancy one because it's, you know, it's a collab with Adventures With Us. So you know, right? I usually here's what she said. So I have to, you know, look on point. Okay guys, so I'm just like getting some shots of like the way how it looks, because up here is so pretty.
Thank you.
Ah?
I'm kidding.
We're at the KFC, you know, and Alicia have her own, her wings. But yeah, this is where we're gonna be filming like 2 videos. Just got in. They took our temperatures and all of that. I really wish I could like take out the tripod right now. I think we got here before Adventures With Us though.
How we won.
Yeah, so we gotta just mash down the KFC.
Because we're starving.
We gotta just mash down the KFC because we're hungry right now. And yeah, and wait for them to come. After we done mash it down, we call them and thing. And yeah. After like hours of searching, just, you know, I was like for about 2 minutes, but we reached somewhere. Just gotta deal with this before them forward, yeah, man. Oh,
did they not give me half?
Alright guys, so we're currently with the Adventures crew, but you know, they're kinda ahead of us right now. Can't wait to stop the vlog. But I wanted to update you guys. Alicia's struggling, give me the water. Where is she? So we just look for like a gazebo to set up base and film the videos. We're gonna film Adventures With Us video first.
Shamar, you just said film.
I said film.
You said film.
I said film.
Film the videos.
But yeah, we're set up base still. Alicia them definitely take a spot. Watch it.
Where?
Right over there, so them take a spot. Psycho. Yeah. I think I just like a set up base now. Or we need a table or something. Damn it, there was somebody there. I don't even know where we're going, man. We're just really looking. Oh yeah, we can do this.
Where?
Beside the door.
I feel like they were at this place.
You see, I say people just the everywhere up here, Bella. People the everywhere. Finally get a spot though. Okay. So guys, I'm here with one. Wait, the lighting is better. I'm here with one of the Adventures members, Rikisha. Sadara kind of walk off. I'm gonna have to change into my green shirt though. But damn, look at it. Aisha, look at the mountain. You see it?
Oh gosh, Shamar.
Wow. Look good.
The mountains were at.
Isn't that where you live?
No.
Up in there?
No. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so hey guys, Shamar Crossfield here, and in today's video, further ado, I'm gonna let you guys get introduced to the Adventures with Us crew. Yeah, and you can stop it. 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys.
Alright, you can start now. So when I say ready, just pan it real quick, alright? So 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, let's go again. Don't stop it. Just go again. She's so weird. So guys, we just finished filming one part of the Adventures with Us video. I don't really know what going on around them. I just hope Salisha and I ready for our round. But you guys would have already seen it though. I hope it was good. Gotcha. Alright guys.
Right. 1.
Mine is Europe.
Man, it's Africa, Shamar.
Oh shoot! Yeah, that's true.
No.
That's true. It's like
Right
ready.
here?
Yeah, right here. So come there. Alright, so the scores.
Hold on. Oh, it's not already.
Yeah. Alright, so the scores are. Alright, we just finished filming. We just finished filming one of the videos for Adventures with Us squad. That was.
It was so fun.
It was fun, but like, we don't know. It was fun, but that was so challenging. It was so draining for me, and I wasn't even the one doing the actions. Honestly, I don't even know how to make up that. But it was fun. It was fun for the most part. Watch him. This is the behind the scenes, guys.
They're so cute, like matching. Why can't we be like them, Shamar?
What am I saying?
Because we look cringe. We look cringe.
Oh, this is for a separate video, guys, and I can still plug on the channel.
Oh, guys, subscribe to Adventures with Us. And subscribe to I'm kidding.
She's hiding from a clone.
It's not even Shamar clone, it's like an actual clone.
No, you ain't gonna do that to me. No.
Hot sauce.
Real man. People, there's a random clown here. I don't even know what's happening anymore.
I'm very scared.
It's just so much. You know he's selling them.
2 minutes and 12 seconds.
I forgot drink hot sauce now, guys. Be a foolishness. So we have to pay it out ourselves?
Yeah, just wait. No. Let me pull up.
Scared of this. I never did this before. Welcome on them channel.
How was it?
Why you do it? I don't understand. How you not like the video yet? How you watch it so far and you not like it yet? I can't understand that. I don't understand the logic. And how you I realize no fun, I realize no fun to watch the video with Adventures with Us, and no fun to watch it and no fun to like the video. I can't understand that. So I'm just giving you the benefit of the doubt and assume say you never did remember, like don't forget. So here's the reminder, here's a friendly reminder, guys. Remember to like the video, drop a like, and if you didn't like the video, go back and watch the Adventures with Us collab video and like that video as well. And yeah, anyways, keep watching. Alright, so yeah, we're just like, this is the aftermath of the collab. She's tired. She's tired. We just took the thumbnails and we just took like the group pictures and all of that, and man, it was fun overall, right?
There was an evil clown.
Hey, listen, people, they make me drink this. They make me drink this hot sauce. By now, you guys saw the video. I hope you guys check it out. You guys need to make sure to check it out. Alicia's being a baby. She's literally, how did you make?
Because
People,
the
look.
thing leaked out. The thing leaked out. I can show.
Is it leaking?
Yes.
Guys, we've seen creepy clowns, we've seen weddings, we've seen everything at Hope Gardens right now. And we have to film another video. Yeah, you guys don't know about that one, and you guys won't know about it till it come out.
It's a secret.
But it's coming out in February. That's as much as I'll let you guys know. But
People passing, let's start talking to the phone.
people are passing, looking at us and all those things. It feels kind of normal up here at Hope Gardens because it's like everybody has a camera out or something, doing something.
But you're like in a wedding, so it's like...
They have weddings, you have study groups. I'm tired, to be honest. But there's one more video that I really want to do. So
Imagine our future selves. Man, you should have studied. Alright guys, we're leaving it because it was fun. Yeah, bye. Bye guys. We're off to shoot more videos. Really fun.
yep, definitely, it was really fun.
Tell them what's behind you.
Alright guys, so it's actually a wedding behind of me. Alicia for some reason really likes to see the wedding. I don't know. But
Shamar, look, there's another one.
what?
There's another one up here. I don't know if you can see.
But right now we are going to film another video that you guys will see in February. I don't know why I keep teasing it. I'm about teasing it to you guys so much, but yeah, let's do that real quick because we have to go soon. Okay, so woo! Alright guys, whoa, the sun is crazy. I don't know what to make of this. I don't usually look so good. Anyways. Wrong number. Alright guys, so we just finished filming, like I think in total we filmed like 4 different videos today. 4 different videos, including this vlog.
Shamar, I'm not in here, right? Okay.
Oh, no. So yeah, that's really been it. That's how it is behind the scenes of doing collabs, of doing some of my videos. She spilled all of her juice. Anyways guys, that's literally how it is when filming like a bag of videos. These are the behind the scenes. I'm thinking about doing some more of these. So if you guys enjoyed watching the behind the scenes of this video, the Adventures With Us video, the video that will come out in February, if you guys enjoyed watching, just let me know if you want to see more behind the scenes of my collabs, because I'm planning to do more collabs in the future, definitely. And yeah, I just appreciate you guys watching. Guys, sorry for this like awful lighting, but I'm gonna end it now. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Shamar Crossfield. My phone storage is getting low. Today it finished, but thankfully it wasn't like in an important clip.